Hello girls, I hope you are all doing well. Today our lesson is about grammar. We will focus on the present perfect for recent events. We have already studied when we use the present perfect and all that. Today we focus on the use of the present perfect for recent events, means events that happened recently. So, first of all, let's start with the form of the present perfect. The form starts with have, has, have, or has, plus past participle. Past participle is the verb 3, means the third form of the verb. For example, be, was, been. So been is verb 3, the past participle, okay? Example, I have been to Japan. I have been to Japan. Have plus past participle. She or he has been to England. Has been to England. Has plus the past participle of the verb to be. Been, okay? Have been or has been. Next, here we have some examples in the affirmative, which is statement, the negative form when you say no, and the interrogative form, which is a question, okay? So, in the affirmative, you can say, we have been in Manchester since 9:30 this morning. Have been, have, past participle, okay? Mom has tried a million pairs of shoes. Has, because it is mom, she, okay? She has tried. Tried is the past participle of the verb try. Now, negative form. In the negative, you just add not. She hasn't bought any. She hasn't bought any shoes. She has not bought any. Okay? Now, in the interrogative form, which is a question, you start with has or have. Okay? Has Joe asked for my email address? Has Joe asked for my email address? Because it is a question, you start with has or have. All right, let's move on. The the present perfect always looks at two times, the past and now. Why it's called present perfect? Because it is connected to the present. The action happened in the past, okay? The action happened in the past, but it is connected to the present. It's connected to the present. That's why it's called present perfect. I repeat, the action happened in the past, but it is connected to the present. Now, I will give you an example. I have finished doing my homework. I have finished doing my homework. The action of doing homework happened in the past. When did you do your homework? You did your homework in the past. Now you are free. You don't have any homework to do. So we have a connection to the present, to now. How are you now after finishing your homework? You are free. There is a result. The result of doing your homework is now you don't have any homework. That's why you say, I have finished doing my homework. Not I finished, okay? I have finished doing my homework. Next, Here, let's focus on the use of the present perfect with for and since. When do we use for and when do we use since with the present perfect? It's actually easy. You just need to focus. Here, I have comparisons. I gave you examples with since and examples with for. Since, here, we give a starting point. We need to say when the action happened. When. For, you say for how long. Example. It has rained since 9 a.m. Since 9 a.m. We give the exact time when it started raining. It has rained for 3 hours. Means the rain started 3 hours ago, and most probably it is still raining. It has rained since 9 a.m. It has rained for 3 hours. I have known how to read since 3rd grade. Since 3rd grade, the exact time. I have known how to read for 10 years. For 10 years. You started learning how to read 10 years ago, okay? She has been waiting since 3:15 p.m. Since plus exact time. She has been waiting for 45 minutes. For how long? For 45 minutes. I have lived here since 2016. Since 2016. I have lived here for 4 years. For 4 years. So in the category of for, you need to say for how long, okay? Since you need to give the starting point, the exact time when the action started, okay? So this is for and since. Next, here we have a question with how long. We use how long to ask about the length of time of a current situation. How long have you been here? How long have you been here? You say, I have been here for 45 minutes. I have been here for 45 minutes. So for, we use it as an answer for the question, how long? I have been here since 2:30. I have been here since 2:30, or I have been here for 45 minutes, okay? Next, we have the comparison of gone and been. Gone and been. I have gone and I have been. What is the difference between the two? We use gone when somebody has gone away and not returned. The person has not returned, did not come back. We use been when somebody has gone and returned. Example, David isn't here. He has gone to the shops. He has gone, we say gone because David is not here. He didn't come back. He hasn't returned yet, okay? If the person returned, if the person came back, we say, Mom has been to the shops. The fridge is full of food. The fridge is full of food. Mom has been to the shops. She has been because she is now here. She came back. If the person hasn't come back, we say gone. If the person has come back, we say been, okay? Has gone and has been to. As a note, we can use the present perfect to talk about experiences in our life. Experiences, this is very important. Focus on the experience, not about the action when it happened. It's not about when it happened, but it is about what happened. Okay, we want to focus on the experience. Example, I have been to India. Here we do not care. Nobody cares when the action happened. We care about the experience. The experience is important, not the time. If you say when the action happened, you need to use the past simple. I went there in 2010. I went there in 2010. You cannot say, I have been there in 2010. No, okay? I have been to India, or I went there. I went to India in 2010. Okay? Thank you so much, and see you in the next lesson.